Hello. Welcome to our next essay, that is our essay 560, which is subsequent events. So, this lecture will be purely in English, and if you need these notes, you can download them from the Telegram channel. Link is in the description. Okay, so now essay 560 talks about subsequent events. So, these are subsequent events. That is, one is your financial statements date, that is when your financial statements are prepared, and second is your audit report date. So any transaction that happened between the financial statement date and the audit report date, these will be considered as your subsequent events. That is your events occurring between date of financial statements and date of auditor's report. So you will have to perform audit procedures to obtain sufficient and appropriate audit evidence that all events which require adjustment or disclosure have been identified. That is, if your financial reporting framework says that these events have to be adjusted or they have to be given effect for, you have to check whether management has made those adjustments or given those disclosures or not. Second is nature, timing, and extent of procedures. Auditor may obtain understanding of procedures applied for identifying significant events, inquire management with respect to the same, and read minutes of meeting held after the balance sheet date. So, by reading the minutes of meetings after the balance sheet date, you will understand what all events have actually happened with the entity. So, once you read the minutes of meeting, you will understand what adjustments should be given for those events that have happened and for which disclosures have to be given. And your next point is obtain written representation, that is your as per essay 580. So obtain written representation from management that all known events have been appropriately adjusted or disclosed in our financial statement. So this your management will give a written representation. Now what are the specific inquiries to be made from management? So whether any new commitments, borrowings, guarantees have been entered into, whether any sales or acquisition of assets has occurred or is planned to happen, whether there have been increase in capital or issuance of debt instrument, that is if your capital has increased or you have issued any bonds or debentures in the market. Next is whether any assets have been appropriated by government or destroyed, that is for any purpose, if any of your asset has been taken by the government. Next is whether there have been developments regarding contingency, that is the contingency that were originally there. Do we have any more information about them? And last is whether any unusual accounting adjustments have been made, that is any adjustments other than your usual. Now facts that have become known to the auditor, if the auditor comes to know about some facts before the issue of financial statement, that is your financial statements have been prepared but they have not been issued to the public yet. So in general, auditor has no obligation. However, if it is a significant matter, you will discuss with management and determine the need to amend your financial statement. You will have to check whether do I have to amend the financial statement. Should I ask the management to amend the financial statements? So in case you feel so and the management amends the financial statements, if all good, if management amends the financial statements, then just a second, let me scroll down. Then the auditor shall extend the procedures to the date of the new report and provide a new audit report on the amended financial statements. Since your financial statements have been amended, you will have to perform audit procedures for the new transactions that have been adjusted, and you will amend the audit report to include an additional date restricted to that amendment and include an emphasis of matters para or a others matter para. Clear? If the management refuses to amend the financial statement, that is if the management does not amend the financial statement, in such a case what will you do? So a report will be provided to the entity, and if report is not provided to entity, that is if you've given your report already, then you will have to notify TCWG and management not to issue the financial statement to any third parties because there are no changes have been made. If the management still issues the financial statement, that is you have given your audit report, the financial statements had not been issued, correct? Now if the management still issues the financial statement, you will take appropriate action to prevent the reliance on auditor's report because you have already given your report. So now you will have to tell people that boss, my audit report does not is not in line with the financial statements. And if the report is not provided to the entity yet, if you have not submitted your audit report to the entity, then you can modify the report. Okay, now what if the auditor got to know about certain things after the issue of financial statement, that is your financial statements have already been issued? So of course auditor has no obligation. If there is significant matters, he will determine the need to amend the financial statement, same as above. If the management amends the financial statements, then what will you do? You will carry out procedures on the amended financial statements, review steps taken, and provide new auditor report. This is the same. Amend the audit report to include an additional date restricted to that amendment and include emphasis of matter and other matter paragraph. So our left side still remains the same. What are changes is in our right side, that if the management refuses to amend the financial statement, in such a case what will you do? Notify TCWG and management that auditor will seek to prevent reliance on the auditor's report. That is, you will take action so that people do not rely on your report. And if the TCWG or management does not take necessary steps, then you will take appropriate action to prevent reliance on the auditor's report. Clear? And with this we are done with this essay. In our next essay we will be doing essay 570. So like the video and I'll see you there.